Blackout Bingo progress will only sync correctly when you're using the same account on each device, so the first thing to check is your login method before changing anything else. By the end, you'll know how to check the account, connection, app version, and device settings that can prevent Blackout Bingo data from appearing across devices. Start by opening Blackout Bingo on the device where your progress is correct. Check which account or sign-in method you're using, then use that exact same method on the second device. If you signed in differently, the app can open a separate account session instead of showing the progress you're expecting. Next, check the internet connection on both devices. Blackout Bingo needs network access to communicate with its online services and synchronize account information. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data on the affected device, then completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. If the data still doesn't appear, restart the affected device. This clears temporary system processes without deleting the app or your account. Then, check for an available Blackout Bingo update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Blackout Bingo, and install an update if one is available. On iPhone, open the App Store and check the same way. Use the current available version on both devices before testing the sync again. Also, check your phone system software. Open your device's software update settings and install an available update if your phone supports it. Different operating system versions can sometimes behave differently with the same app. If you're using Android, review Blackout Bingo's app permissions under Settings, Apps, and Blackout Bingo. Make sure the app isn't being restricted by battery saving or background activity settings that could interfere with its connection. On iPhone, check Settings and Blackout Bingo to review the permissions available for the app. Also check whether low power mode or focus settings are limiting normal background activity or notifications. Don't create a second Blackout Bingo account just to test the sync. If your original progress is attached to another account, creating or using a different login can make the missing data harder to identify. If the same account is active on both devices but the progress still doesn't match, contact Blackout Bingo's support. Give them the account information, both device models, operating system versions, and explain which device contains the correct progress. The key fixes are using the same account, confirming a working connection, updating Blackout Bingo, and removing device-level restrictions. Your practical next step is to sign out and back in using the exact account method that contains your original progress, then reopen the app on both devices. If this fixed your sync problem, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.